Hello friends, how are you? Today I'm going to show you how to make this helix logo in Inkscape. First create a rectangle and set the size 20 to 20 mm. You can choose according to your need or requirement. Duplicate it. Change the color. Now go to fill dialog box and set the transparency. You can open the dialog box from here. Set the transparency. Now increase the size of this one. Now round the corner with this tool. This is node editing tool. Go to path and convert this object to path. So now we can select the nodes of this object. Now duplicate this one again and arrange like this. Now select this small object and arrange like this. You can snap it to the left. You can align with aligning tool. Now select this object and change the color. Now snap it like this. Must enable snapping option before snapping the objects. Now select only these two big objects and click on difference. Now select this one. Create another rectangle. Select these two, go to path and click on difference. Select node editing tool and select only upper node. Now we have to modify the big object. Select node editing tool and select only these two nodes and drag to up. Now select this one and duplicate it and flip horizontally and hold down Ctrl key and rotate it. Now snap these two objects. Now select both and you can align it from here. Now duplicate these two and flip it. I think we should keep in group this object. Group it. Now select only these two and again group it. Now select the small object and we have to snap it like this. It's just this object. I think this is okay. Now select this one. You can delete it or you can use it again. Now select only these two and duplicate it. Now we have to arrange this object like this. Snap it. Now select this object. Now snap it like this. Now select this one and you can delete it. Now select all these and first we have to ungroup it. Now go to object and click on again ungroup. Now select these two objects and unite them and remove the transparency. Now select these two small objects, select it carefully. Actually we have to reduce the size of one object. No, select it carefully. Now select, see the object, we have object like this. Reduce the size. Now select these two objects and click on union. Remove the transparency. Select all these and remove the transparency. Change the color. Now select this one and go to object and click on raise to top. Select this one, send it to bottom. Now we have to create a small circle. Set the size 20 into 20 mm. Go to path and convert it to path. Duplicate it and snap this small circle like this. Again duplicate it and snap it here. Now again duplicate it and snap with this object. Must enable snapping option before snapping the object, and again snap the circle with this object. Now you can delete this one. Now select these two, go to path and click on union. Again select these two and click on union. Now select all these and hold on Control key and rotate it. You can modify the size. Now select these two objects and click on union. Now select again these two objects and click on union. Now select this one and apply the gradient color. Edit the gradient. Change the color of gradient node. Again apply the gradient. Edit the gradient. Choose the color. Now select this node and change the color. Edit the gradient color. Now select this object and change the color. Again apply the gradient and edit the gradient. Apply the gradient on this object and edit the gradient. Change the color. You can play with your own color combination. Select this object and send it to bottom. Now select this one. Edit the gradient and make a node and change the color. We have to add a more node like this and select again this one and change the color. Now select this one. We have to add 3 nodes. Now select the center one and change the color. Actually I'm making shadow. This is the trick. Now select this one and we have to again create 3 nodes. Now select the center one and change the color. So guys, we have completed our rainbow helix logo. I know you can make better than me, and thanks for my member who supporting me, and thanks for watching my tutorials, and thank you for supporting me. Thank you.